Okay, problem 12. Find the slope of the tangent line to y equals tan x when tan of x is equal to the square root of 3. So first thing we want to do is graph y1 equals the tan of x. And make sure you are in radian mode, so hit the mode button right there. Make sure radian is highlighted. If it is not, move your cursor to it and hit enter. So graph y1 equals tan x, and then if you don't remember your trig from last year, go ahead and graph the function square root of 3. So second square and then 3 to get the square root of 3 on there. And then I would advise you to do a zoom 7, which is a trig window. So do that, and you should get a graph that looks like boom, 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 boom. I think, unless I'm messing something up, it's going to look something a lot like that. Except that last bit is going to be that part of the graph. Okay, so it's going to look like that, and it's going to graph the line y equals the square root of 3, which is going to cut across your graph about there. Now, here's the deal. I can find in this window alone 1, 2, 3, 4 spots where tangent of x equals the square root of 3. Because remember, a trig function is cyclic. It's going to go on forever and ever and ever. So this, if we continued our window up, would go up and cross there. We'd find another one. And it's going to happen forever. There are going to be infinitely many ways. But all of those little branches are perfectly symmetrical. So every single tangent line that you could draw there is all going to have the same exact slope. It'd just be a bunch of parallel lines. They're all going to have the same derivative there. So we just need to find one of those values. So second, calculate an intersection with those lines anywhere you do. So if you go ahead and calculate that intersection point, you're going to end up with the value 1.047, 1.047, which if you remember from your trig unit, that is pi over 3, because the tangent of pi over 3 equals the square root of 3. And we need to find the value of the derivative there. So now go ahead and hit second, calculate, choose option 6, which is dy dx, and then type in the value pi over 3 if you're going exact, or try 1.047, or maybe store the value and go to that variable. But either way, you should end up with, can you tell I'm doing it right now? I'm stalling for time. You should end up with 0. That's a total lie. Do you know what just happened to me? I tried to find the derivative of the horizontal line y equals the square root of 3. So make sure you're on the right graph, and then do all of that stuff, and you should get the value of 4 should be your answer.